Ask somebody out, invite on a date. Brian asked Judy out to dinner and a movie. Ask around, ask many people, the same question. I asked around but nobody has seen my wallet. Add up to something, equal. Your purchases add up to $205.32. Back something up, reverse. You'll have to back up your car so that I can get out. Back somebody up, support. My wife backed me up over my decision to quit my job. Blow up, explode. The racing car blew up after it crashed into the fence. Blow something up, add air. We have to blow 50 balloons up for the party. Break down, stop functioning, vehicle, machine. Our car broke down at the side of the highway in the snowstorm. Break down, get upset. The woman broke down when the police told her that her son had died. Break something down, divide into smaller parts. Our teacher broke the final project down into 3 separate parts. Break in, force entry to a building. Somebody broke in last night and stole our stereo. Break into something, enter forcibly. The firemen had to break into the room to rescue the children. Break something in, wear something a few times so that it doesn't look, feel new. I need to break these shoes in before we run next week. Break in, interrupt. The TV station broke in to report the news of the president's death. Break up, end a relationship. My boyfriend and I broke up before I moved to America. Break up, start laughing, informal. The kids just broke up as soon as the clown started talking. Break out, escape. The prisoners broke out of jail, when the guards weren't looking. Break out in something, develop a skin condition. I broke out in a rash after our camping trip. Bring somebody down, make unhappy. This sad music is bringing me down. Bring somebody up, raise a child. My grandparents brought me up after my parents died. Bring something up, start talking about a subject. My mother walks out of the room when my father brings up sports. Bring something up, vomit. He drank so much that he brought his dinner up in the toilet. Call around, phone many different places, people. We called around but we weren't able to find the car part we needed. Call somebody back, return a phone call. I called the company back but the offices were closed for the weekend. Call something off, cancel. Jason called the wedding off because he wasn't in love with his fiancée. Call on somebody, ask for an answer or opinion. The professor called on me for question 1. Call on somebody, visit somebody. We called on you last night but you weren't home.